Welcome. In this explainer, we're diving deep into a really powerful framework for translating a brand's core essence directly into product design. Seriously, by the end of this session, you'll be able to apply these principles to solve complex, real-world design challenges, a skill that's absolutely critical for any product designer today. All right, let's kick things off with a bit of a thought experiment. Picture your product sitting on a shelf, but you've stripped all the logos and branding off of it. Can people still tell it's yours? Does it still scream your brand's identity? This is, without a doubt, the ultimate test of a strong visual brand language. And this question matters so much because in today's market, most products kind of do the same thing. Think about smartphones. They all have great cameras, big screens, fast processors. So what really sets them apart? It's the design. The product's look and feel becomes this powerful tool for differentiation, communicating the brand's unique story when the features can't.
So here's our mission today. We want to empower you with a framework that will genuinely transform your design process. You're going to learn how to make every single design element, no matter how small, a deliberate and powerful expression of your brand's story. This is how you go from being a good designer to a truly great one.
Okay, so now that we get why a strong visual language is so important, let's get into the weeds of how to actually build one. And it all starts with what we call the brand's DNA, the absolute foundation of its identity. Think of this slide as your roadmap. It shows you exactly how to translate these big, abstract brand concepts into concrete design decisions. So for example, take brand personality. Is your brand witty and playful, or is it more serious and sophisticated? Your design, the colors, the shapes, the materials all have to reflect that voice in every little detail. Now, to bring this brand story to life, we're going to use a tool that sounds a little academic, but trust me, it's incredibly powerful. It's called the semantic transformation model. The easiest way to think about it is as a translator. It helps you turn your brand's values into a physical language that your product can actually speak. And this is how it works. This four-step process is your guide. It takes you all the way from the heart of your brand, its core identity, down to the final, tangible product. This ensures that every single design choice you make is perfectly aligned with what your brand stands for.
All right, now for the really fun part. Enough theory, right? Let's see how some of the true masters of the craft have used this framework to create iconic products that have absolutely stood the test of time. First up, Volvo. For them, safety isn't just a marketing slogan they slap on an ad. No way. It is a deep design philosophy that you can literally see and feel in every single curve and line of their cars.
See this line here? The one running along the side of the car? Volvo calls it the strong shoulder line. And it's such a subtle yet powerful design element that just screams safety. It's a visual promise of protection, a design cue that's as strong as the steel it's made from. Okay, next up, BMW. Have you ever noticed this one little detail on pretty much every BMW you've ever seen? It's a super subtle design cue that tells a massive story about the brand's heritage and its obsession with performance. This little thing right here is called the Hofmeister kink, and it's been a part of BMW's design DNA for over 6 decades. What's so amazing is that it has no technical function. It's not necessary. It's there purely as a visual signal, a nod to the brand's passion for driving. It's incredible. And finally, let's talk about Dyson. I mean, these guys don't just design appliances. They create engineering works of art. They completely revolutionize their industry by turning boring, everyday objects into things people actually desire. And it all comes back to their unique design philosophy. Dyson's approach is just a masterclass in functional aesthetics. Every single element serves a purpose, from the clear plastic that actually shows you the technology working to the bold, color-coded buttons that guide you. It's a design language that's just as intelligent as it is beautiful. Okay, so now it is time to put your skills to the test. This is your chance to really apply what you've learned and start creating a design that tells a powerful brand story of your own. So for this exercise, you're going to step into the shoes of a product designer. You'll be applying that semantic transformation model we just walked through to a brand new real-world design challenge. You'll define the brand's core values, translate them, and create a concept for a product.
So here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. You're going to design a smartphone for the brand Patagonia. This is your shot to create a product that doesn't just look good, but also does good. A product that truly reflects the brand's deep commitment to sustainability and ethical design.
Now, this table is a fantastic starting point to get your brain going. But hey,
Don't let it limit you. Think outside the box. What other design elements could you use to communicate Patagonia's values? How would you make durability feel tangible? Get creative with it.
Ultimately, your brand story is its most valuable asset. So use the power of design to bring that story to life. Create products that don't just solve problems, but also inspire a deeply loyal following. Now go out there and design something